Hello friends, in this video we will see another problem based on the linear seating arrangement problem. Okay, and the problem is six friends A, B, C, D, E and F are sitting in a row facing towards north. So C is sitting between A and E. C is sitting between A and E. So D is not at the end and B is sitting immediate right to E, immediate right to the E, and F is not at the right end. F is not at the right end. So this is the information given. So based on this we have to solve first question. So how many persons are there to the right of D, okay. So and the second question is who is the immediate left of C? Who is the immediate left of C? Who is the immediate left of C? And the third question is who is at the right hand? Who is at the right hand and who is at the right hand? Okay, so we have to solve these three questions based on the sitting arrangement of this. Okay, so all of them are facing towards to the north. So if we take the basic direction, so this is the north, this is south, this is east and this is the west. So all are facing towards to the north. So there are six friends are there. So take the sixth position, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So it is given that C is sitting between A and E. C is sitting between A and E. D is not at the end and B is sitting immediate right to the E. So before filling these finalized positions, we will find just the arrangement order. So C is sitting between A and E. So if A is here and C is sitting here and E is sitting here, so C is sitting between A and E. D is not at the end. Okay. B is sitting immediate right of the E. So E is facing towards to the north, right? So that means actually B is sitting here because this is the right hand side of the E. So B is sitting immediate to the right of the E. So F is not at the right hand. So it is given that D is not sitting at the end and F is not at the right hand. So here is one position is there and here is one position is there, right? So total 6 friends. So D and F are left, right? So D is not at the end. So that means the two positions may be this side or two positions may be this side. Okay, so it is D is not at the end. So that means I can take D here. So if I take D here, so F will fill up here. So that's why I take D here and F is not at the right hand. So this is the right hand. So but I can put F at the left hand. So that's why I put F here. So that the finalized positions are F, D, A, C, E and B. These are the finalized sitting positions of all the 6 persons who are facing towards to the north. When they are facing towards to the north, their left will become our left and their right will become our right. Okay, so how many persons are there to the right of the D? So when D is here and he is facing in this direction, so this is the right and this is the left. So on the right hand side, how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the right hand side of the D, there are 4 persons are there. Okay, so who is to the immediate left of the C? So C is here, so he is facing in the north direction. So this is the right and this is the left. So he is asking who is the immediate left of the C. Immediate left of the C is who? A. So the immediate left of the C is A. So who is at the right hand? So who is at the right hand? B is at the right hand. So B is at the right hand. So I hope you got this one. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment, and thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.